YouTube. What is this? You guys don't know what this is. I want to unbox it right now. Let me read the ingredients. It says General Mints. Maybe a...
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Really, people been waiting 9 years just for this?
Nice. Could I get a little taste of it? Ah, jeez. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
In mine. I'm gonna eat
Sorry.
it.
How's it taste?
Tastes like,
Whoa, dude, are you really sweating from eating that?
yeah, I'm really sweating from eating that. I'm gonna eat it. Tastes like
You're
mix
not-
of grape
you're
jelly.
not even eating it. You just bit my hand off for nothing?
Tastes like grape jelly and bananas together and hot dogs and
So kind of like your fingers.